Santa Claus, come here.
Come on.
Come here, Nana, look.
What is that? Oh, I feel something.
What is that, baby? Is Santa bring that to you? Huh? It works. She was stunned, ain't she? Was you a good girl? Yeah, and Santa brought you your tractor. Good job. Get up there, yeah. Be careful and don't hit the little button.
Yeah, I don't know where you hit that button.
Here. Now put your foot on the other side, but just don't hit the button. There you go. Now if you hit that button, it's gonna go with you. Tap it just a little bit. Do it again. Hold on just a minute. Now do it again. Wow, Nana. Good job. Hold on, you got to put it in reverse. Push that up. Now push it.
Y'all gonna get ready to get the Christmas tree knocked over.
No, no. Back it up. Back it up again. Hold that in. Okay.
Okay, that's good.
Okay. You want to see what else Santa brought you? You do? Yeah? We'll play with the tractor outside in a little bit.
Is that Papa's tractor?
No.
Whose tractor is that?
That's mine.
That's mine. Are you going to share with Papa and let him ride your tractor?
No.
Huh?
Can't want to.
He don't want to? No? True stubbornness is coming out of you now.
You've been breaking him up in less than 30-second videos.